Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OkHttp interceptors for mobile networking security. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up OkHttp interceptors for mobile networking security, begin by adding the necessary dependencies to your project. If you're using Gradle, include the OkHttp library in your build.gradle file. Make sure you have the correct version that suits your project requirements. Once the dependencies are added, sync your project to download the OkHttp library. Next, create a new class file for your interceptor. This class should implement the interceptor interface from the OkHttp library. In the intercept method, you will define how the HTTP requests and responses should be handled. Start by logging the incoming request to monitor its properties. You can use Logcat or any other logging tool you prefer for this. Next, proceed to modify the request if needed. For example, you can add custom headers for authentication or other purposes. To execute the modified request, call the chain.proceed method with the updated request. Now, focus on handling the response. Retrieve the response from the chain and check for any security issues, such as unexpected status codes. If everything looks good, you may log the response details for further examination. It's also a good practice to handle exceptions that might occur during the request or response lifecycle. Make sure to return the response at the end of your intercept method. Once your interceptor class is ready, proceed to register it with your OkHttp client. Initialize an OkHttp client instance in your application class or wherever appropriate. Use the addInterceptor method to add your custom interceptor to the client. Now you can make network requests using this OkHttp client instance. Your interceptor will automatically be applied to all requests made with this client. Test your interceptor to ensure it functions as expected during various network requests. Watch for logged messages to confirm that your request and response handling are working correctly. Troubleshoot any issues that arise to enhance the reliability of your network security measures. Consider adding caching or retry mechanisms to improve the performance of your networking. Once satisfied with the setup, review the design and functionality periodically. This ensures that your mobile application's networking security remains robust and up-to-date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.